Okay, so this is totally unprepared, unscripted, and just out of nowhere, I have this idea. So, recently I had a LinkedIn post. This is the first time I get more than 500 impression for a post, and it is about something I said. Uh, for those who have not getting into the selection by HR or TA should get a reject email as well instead of ignore them. So I talk about we should automate that, and since it got 500 impression my first time, so I'm thinking like maybe I should build something using AI so that it could work. So this is totally unscripted and unprepared. And now is 11:52 p.m. and let's see what time I'm able to complete it. So today I'm going to use Codex to do this project. So first you need to add a new project, create a project or new project. Basically it means a new folder. So I've created a HR reject email sender. So where is it located? It's located at here. So go to my folder and then there is it. So you just select it and then open. Boop, this is it. And so the first thing you need to do is you put shift tab and you go into plan mode and you tell or you discuss with Codex what you really want. So let's do something. HR and I want to build an automate email sender that send email to those rejected applicant should be, is it spelled like this? Something like that. Sorry, my English is level sometimes up, sometimes down, so bear with me with my wrong spelling. So what I would do next, so I will tell him some of my tools that I use. I'm using Gmail account to send to them, and then so this part and then what else I need to tell them? I should provide you the resume of the applicant and you should, and AI should automate and generate an email template and send out to the applicant. Draft an email and I just approve it before you send. Let's make it semi-auto, and you can of course fully automate it after you are confident with the output. That's how I like to do it when I'm doing an automation workflow. So this is something that I can think of out of my mind now, and I will try to ask ChatGPT and see if he could improve the plan for me. Here's what I can think of right now. Help me to improve the plan or idea. This app is going to be used by me only, so no need to worry about scalability, maybe something like that. Other thing. Okay, let's see what Codex is doing. By the way, because I have this skills installed, so when I'm try to start something new, it will help me to so-called fine-tune the plan. So first, what it is. Okay. How do you want to provide reject the applicant to the app first? You see it also, if you have mass so-called, if you are going to do mass, you probably can select this, but since I'm going to do a simple one, then I'll probably just upload resume. Just select this one. Resume and then human proof queue. Okay, so yeah, basically that's what I say. The next year approach how much people inside the app, maybe something like this, since this is his recommendation. Get language consistent. Yeah, let's just move with this. Or of course, if you really want to put detailed feedback, then you can select that, but for experiment purpose, I'll just use polite and generic. So at least, so the main goal of this V1, I would say, MVP, will be just send the email out, at least notify the applicants. For each pair arrangement, what context should provide? One row per patch. Well, let me see what does it mean. You enter the job title, company name, and sender name, and optional signature once for all. Okay, this look nice. For each pair, what context you should provide? I would say 1 plus JD. Do I need to put in JD? Maybe no. 1 row per batch. Well, let me see what you enter the job title, company name, sender name. Yeah, I'll just do a simple one this time. Yeah, just run locally. Fewer account, less than okay, blah blah blah. Okay. Use an API key. To be honest, I think I can. I'll just use should I use API key? Can I link? Let me think of. Can I link codecs into this? Like how? I don't know how to describe that, but it when you're on board, and select AI provider. Okay, use codec. Okay, basically this means this probably is much more familiar to those OpenClaw or Codex or Hermes agent user. Okay, I'll finish whatever, a simple one. Open airby. Is that when you configure? I don't need so complicated. Just use open. Just use codecs. I don't want to use API key for this, since it is only my own usage. No, I think my description is something wrong. That's why it doesn't catch my idea carefully. So this is when you are write coding or doing something, if you did not describe, this is the mistake I made, because I should have researched what is the correct terms for that. Local codecs available, log in using ChatGPT. I think this is the one. Use Gmail or auth. Local app for the COI for AI for sending. Okay, so yeah, this is basically what I want. Local app codecs, COI for the brain, and then Gmail for the sending. I'll default minimum storage, but delete raw resume text file. How should the app kit sending logs only? Okay, yeah, that'll do. V1. Of course, if you are trying to make a much more complete one, then you can select based on your need, but this tonight I'll just do a very simple one. Measure single node requirement. Which product should the final plan? Local codec app. What is it? Mean local drop. Yep. One price more need to explain. Using codec means resume sent through your account for it or voice, but it's not fully local. Yes, use codecs. Of course, if your company have what you call that, have personal data protection restriction or things like that, then you might need to switch to another way, but this time this is just a example, so I'll just ignore this, just use codecs. Okay, let's read the plan. What is it? What it provides? Blah 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 blah. Codex. Okay. The support resume. Okay, good. JSON schema. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. Okay, test plan. Missing the wrapper. Gmail. No, install Codex. Resume text. Okay, this neutral HRC. Yeah, I think this is what it does, and then let's go. So now it's just all waiting for Codex to do its magic. Okay, let's see. Okay, this part will be quite boring, and I think I'll probably cut this out during before I upload it, because otherwise you'll be waiting for nothing. Or should I just tell y'all to skip to what time? Let's see how it goes. So I think instead of cutting it, I probably just fast forward it, make it like oh yeah, so because I have turned on auto review, so a lot of things it will just automatic run without my approval. If you are a much more so how would I say that, much more careful person or concerned person, then maybe you can change your permission to default. Of course, I didn't change to full access, that worry me as well, so I just put it auto review, so it will automatically run certain approval. Okay, so beside here, Codex is actually really nice on this one. So it has a so-called to-do list that show you what is the progress of the works. So you can just while waiting, of course this is not a really complicated software, so you can just do your own work or do your own thing while waiting for it to complete. So yeah, I will just continue fast forward the video until everything complete. Okay, so since AI has provided a local host thing, then I guess maybe we could take a look at how it looks like. Wait, let me open a new window here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is how what it create. Okay, so so while this is not a perfect dashboard look, but I think it can be understand quite easily. Okay, so this is exactly what we saw just now. Haven't connected. Okay, fill out EMV. Oh, this is something I hate. EMV example. Let me see what's inside. Client ID. Okay. I need to fill these up, and let me pause for a moment. No, I will just, well, I'll do it on another place, because yeah, I think I can show you how I did it. So, well, of course this is not a safe way to do it, but since I'm going to delete it late after I build this, so yeah. So you go to Google Cloud, create a web application, authorize redirect URL. We'll go to here, connect, because I'm not going to host it, so this will do. And then let me just easy for me to delete myself and HR reject. Create. Okay, so client ID, this one. Oh, it doesn't allow me to edit it from here. Let me try to open the folder. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can't do it from here. Give me a second. Let me see what I should do to find it. Okay, let me go to that folder first. So here you show. Okay, so this is the folder, and then where's my Okay, this is the example. So I make a copy. Why I make a copy? Because that's example. I need to make an actual one. So why I know I need to do this, because I've been building quite a number of apps, so I know what I'm going to do. Wait. Why I cannot go with example? Okay, let me do it one by one. Surprise. Hey, what the hell is going on? Hey, what went wrong? Why this time this doesn't work? Okay, why it open up? Okay, let me open with other. I should be able to open it using text. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this out. No. Wait, let me see what's my ID. Is this one? Secret is this one. So the URL is fine. Okay, good. Okay, so I have the env files already. Let me see. Let me try refresh it, and then connect to. Hey, what is? Let me don't waste time. I have env file. I'm guessing I did not, because I did not restart the server for this, but for the sake of saving my headache, I'll just let Cloud to do his do the work. Oh look, Codex. Sorry, I've been using too much Cloud for the past 1 month. Yeah. Dev server was before this exist, so yeah, my guessing was right. Uy. I have to check. I think it created an env for me, I guess. To be honest, I'm suspecting this is a broken file as well, because just now that was the first time I failed to create an env file using copy and paste. Not sure what's the issue, but yeah. Yeah, my guess was right as well. This env file is a bit broken. Nah, you see, everything fixed. Basket. Yeah, I think it go and restart the server, things like that, and then npm run dev. Yeah, that's the one. Da-da-da. Let me see if I can connect now. Yup, that's the one. Yeah, just go with continue because this is the app you do. What did I click? Go to project. Yeah, that's the one. Continue. Ta-da. Okay, so you see, Codex connected, Gmail connected. Let me upload this. And then AI engineer, AI testing, GX, send the email, my email. With GX, CEO. So I'm guessing you can upload multiple files and create a batch that send the same template. Generate draft. Okay, it has generated something for me. Dear Xiang, okay, approve, send approval. Is it sent? Send, it says send. Let me check my Gmail. Let me see if something sent. Send. Yep, it is sent to who? It is sent. It is sent. Okay, let me check my mailbox as well. Yep. Let me try to show you. Okay, there you have it. I have received from here, update on the application. Okay. Of course, this is a MVP, a V1. You can always improve it based on your practice. Like, what do you think you can improve it? Let me see. Maybe you can improve the signature. How you want the draft to be look like and things like that. You can definitely improve that. Improve more function, whatever function you want to have, and maybe you can improve more automation on that part. Instead of you still need to generate draft, you can have it automated done automatically done as well. And yeah, so a simple draft like this takes me less than an hour to do it. So there you have it. This is a this is an example of how you can use AI tools to build a software for your works. Thank you for watching, and that's it.